It's a pleasure to introduce the school's digital presentation of the next step, transition to Key Stage 4 and embarking on GCSE and BTEC courses. Here we reach another milestone along your children's educational and lifeway path. It's a pleasure to introduce the school's digital presentation of the next step, transition to Key Stage 4 and embarking on GCSE and BTEC courses. Here we reach It's a pleasure to introduce the school's digital presentation of the next step, transition to Key Stage 4 and embarking on GCSE and BTEC courses. Here we reach another important milestone along your children's educational and life pathway. And although the pupils have not been in attendance on site, the curriculum planning for next September has continued as normal. Mr. Payne's presentation will outline the different courses available, curriculum arrangements, and working in partnership with Coleg Sir Gar. Mr. Thomas explains the support and opportunities and also outlines the school's expectations of our Year 10 and 11 pupils. It's important that you choose wisely. Think about future plans. Some pupils would know already what they'd like to do. Therefore, choose subjects that are suitable for that pathway. Others have no idea, and don't worry if you fall into this category. Choose subjects that will keep your options open. Choose the subjects that you feel you have most interest in them and that you're best at. Research is a great idea at this point. Again, taking time to think about your future, sitting down as a family and discussing possible plans. Don't choose a subject because a friend or friends encourage you to do so. Think about your own future, not that of your friends. They'll still be your friends even if they're not in every lesson with you next year. Don't choose subjects because of the possibility of foreign trips either. You must have high expectations of yourself, aiming for the best for yourself and your future. The lockdown will make the decisions for pupils and their families harder this year. It's therefore our intention during the lessons of the week of the 2nd to the 5th of March to organise presentations for pupils on their GCSE courses and the options possible. Pupils will have an opportunity to ask questions of their teachers. On their return to school, we plan to ask Year 9 pupils to study 5 option subjects to begin with. These will include new courses such as business and health and social care. This will give pupils the opportunity to focus on areas of interest and give them a taste of the GCSE courses before they decide on their final 3 options. Confirming the final choices will only happen when we are confident that pupils have received enough information and opportunity to experience the subject. Therefore, my advice for the next couple of weeks would be to start thinking about your future, discussing your choices at home as a family. Please don't worry if you find making choices difficult. And remember that you won't have to make your final decision until you have returned to school and discussed your subjects with teachers and members of the leadership team.